Hi, my name is Christian, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Amiclear before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Amiclear Supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because Amiclear is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Amiclear, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Amiclear works. Amiclear is made from potent, all-natural ingredients. Amiclear is produced in a state-of-the-art facility in the United States of America. This facility adheres to the standards set by the Good Manufacturing Practices. They use powerful scientific engineering equipment throughout the manufacturing process. The process is carried out under strict supervision and in sterile conditions. Amiclear Blood Sugar Formula has potent ingredients that regulate type 2 diabetes. The body has molecules that reduce insulin resistance, leading to diabetes. Ceramide molecules break down glucose, so it's ingested into the body cells and boosts energy levels. Irregular ceramide molecule levels affect glucose intake and insulin production, leading to type 2 diabetes. Amiclear Blood Sugar Formula increases the production of insulin and regulates blood sugar levels to prevent diabetes. Some ingredients remove toxins from the body, and others support weight loss. When insulin resistance is managed, cardiovascular system health is also improved. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Amiclear Supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Amiclear pills for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to Amiclear work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Amiclear has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Amiclear, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Amiclear actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.